Well, today we are taking a look at a beautiful Howard Miller Presidential Collection Truman model. And it is a clock that is only 2 months old. I just got it in January. It's a beautiful triple chime cable-driven clock, and it's currently set at the St. Michael's chime. And I'm not sure we can tell, but if we go close, we'll see that it's just about going to striking distance. This clock tends to commence its chime and strike on the hour at about, I think, 10 seconds before the hour. And as a note, as many of you no doubt are aware, but maybe perhaps some of you are not, the accuracy of one's grandfather clock, from what I can tell, is dependent on its being level or somewhat level. And also, if there needs to be a fine-tuning, there's a little nut on the base of the bob of the pendulum that makes it go up or down, and therefore makes it go faster or slower. Here we go. And there's the 9 o'clock hour. It also, of course, has a moon phase dial. And this, as I mentioned before, is a cable-driven clock. And it needs to be set, I guess they call them an 8-day clock. I've never let it go down that long. I think I've gone to 6 or perhaps 7 days. But you never want to let your clock go too long, for it could stop. So I tend to wind it once a week, or sometimes I do it twice a week, because the weights after about 3 days fall down to about the halfway point. And if they go too far, they kind of obscure and cover the base of the pendulum. So I think aesthetically it does look nicer if you wind your clock a little more often. It doesn't hurt it. And at any rate, that's the way she looks. And we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll catch you later. Okay? You take care.